Have you ever wondered what would happen if your Bitcoin suddenly disappeared? That thought alone is enough to keep any crypto investor awake at night. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your Bitcoin safe by using both hot and cold wallets, and why choosing the right mix can mean the difference between peace of mind and panic. If you're into cryptocurrency, you already know security isn't optional. It's everything. With great reward comes equally great risk, and Bitcoin is no exception. A secure wallet is like your digital safe, and you need to make sure it's locked tighter than Fort Knox. The problem is, the choices can feel overwhelming. There are dozens of wallets, each with different pros and cons. But don't worry, I'll break it down in simple terms so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with the risks. Every year, people lose Bitcoin through hacks, phishing scams, or even exchange failures. It sounds terrifying, but it's the reality of the crypto world. The lesson? If you don't take control of your Bitcoin, someone else eventually might. Leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange is risky business. It's like storing your life savings at a friend's house. You might trust them, but what if they get robbed or shut down? That's why having your own secure wallet is non-negotiable. Phishing scams are another danger. An innocent-looking email could trick you into giving away your private keys. Once that happens, your Bitcoin isn't yours anymore. That's why being cautious with what you click is just as important as the wallet you choose. Even reliable exchanges have weak points. History shows that even the biggest platforms can fall victim to hackers. If it can happen to them, it can happen to you. And that's exactly why you need your own protection plan. Hot wallets and cold wallets are your two main options. Hot wallets stay connected to the internet, which makes them quick and convenient, perfect for regular transactions. But convenience comes at a price. Because hot wallets are online, they're exposed to hacking attempts. Cold wallets, on the other hand, stay completely offline. They work like a digital vault that hackers can't touch, but you'll need extra steps to access your funds. So, which should you use? The truth is, the smartest investors don't pick one or the other. They use both: cold wallets for long-term storage and hot wallets for daily spending. That way, you get the best of both worlds, security and flexibility. And don't forget your private keys. They are the master key to your Bitcoin. Store them safely, never share them, and back them up in more than one secure place. Adding two-factor authentication is another must. Even if someone steals your password, they'll need an extra code to get in, which makes their job much harder. When choosing a wallet, think about your lifestyle. Beginners often start with hot wallets because they're easy to set up, while experienced users lean toward cold wallets for maximum security. Another smart move is diversifying your storage methods. Just like you wouldn't keep all your money in one bank, don't rely on one single wallet. Splitting your Bitcoin across multiple wallets reduces the risk of losing everything at once. Education is also a form of protection. The more you understand about how wallets work, the harder it is for scammers to trick you. Stay updated with the latest security practices, because in crypto, knowledge really is power. Consider hardware wallets if you're serious about long-term holding. They're physical devices designed specifically to keep your Bitcoin offline and safe from hackers. Yes, they cost money, but think of it as insurance for your digital wealth. Think about creating a recovery plan. What if you lose access to your wallet, your phone breaks, or your device gets stolen? Having a backup phrase stored securely, offline and out of sight, is the only way to regain access to your Bitcoin. Don't overlook the role of discipline. Many investors fall into the trap of convenience and leave too much in hot wallets. Setting clear rules for yourself, like always moving profits into a cold wallet, can save you from costly mistakes. Lastly, build habits around checking your security. Once a month, review your wallets, update your software, and make sure your backups are safe. These small routines don't take much time but can protect years of savings. Finally, remember that securing Bitcoin isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Threats evolve, scams get more sophisticated, and new tools come out all the time. Staying vigilant is the only way to stay truly safe. In conclusion, Bitcoin security comes down to balance. Use hot wallets for convenience, cold wallets for safety, and always follow best practices. With the right strategy, you can protect your digital assets and sleep well at night. If you've got your own tips for securing Bitcoin, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you're just starting your crypto journey, check out my video on the basics. It's the perfect place to begin.